Hey everyone! Excited to dive into the world of back-end development? As we approach 2025, it's crucial to know which technologies can give you a competitive edge. Here are the top 5 back-end technologies you should master. First up, this one's a favorite among developers because it's JavaScript-based, which means you can use the same language on both the front end and back end. Node.js is perfect for microservices and serverless architectures, and it excels in real-time applications like chat apps and online gaming. Its vast ecosystem and growing community support make it incredibly versatile. Next, with frameworks like Django and FastAPI, Python continues to dominate the tech scene, thanks to its simplicity and versatility. Django is your go-to for full-featured web applications, offering everything from authentication to admin panels out of the box. On the other hand, FastAPI is designed for high-performance asynchronous APIs, making it an excellent choice for modern web applications. Moving on to, also known as Golang. If you're looking for speed and built-in concurrency, this is your pick. Go is particularly valued in cloud-native environments and microservices. Its simplicity and performance are unmatched, making it ideal for distributed systems where efficient scaling is crucial. Let's not forget about with Spring Boot. Java has been a staple in back-end development for decades, especially in enterprise environments. Spring Boot simplifies the process of building and deploying Java-based microservices. Its compatibility with various cloud platforms makes it a reliable choice for large-scale, complex applications. Lastly, we have Rust is gaining traction for its memory safety and performance. It's particularly popular in systems programming, but is also making waves in web development and back-end services. If you're working on projects where performance and security are critical, Rust is the way to go. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 back-end technologies to master for 2025. Whether you're building scalable microservices with Node.js, crafting high-performance APIs with Python's FastAPI, or ensuring memory safety with Rust, these technologies will set you up for success. Keep learning, keep coding, and get ready to rock the back-end world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.